What's good with y'all boys, man? We back with another reaction that I have not heard Skeng and Yeng on a song since what, Protocol? Where's the Protocol to Heaven Passport? I don't know, but last time I seen Skeng and Yeng on the title and I clicked on it and I reacted to it, it was a banger, you know what I'm trying to see. Skeng doesn't really mess, and Yeng, I keep saying, yo, is Yeng intense? Is Yeng Tommy Lee? Like, who is Yeng? Yeng is intense, right? It's another name for intense, if I'm not wrong, you dig what I'm saying? So they dropped the song Stick Talk Rifle Business, you dig what I'm saying? So you already know this is gonna be a gun too. This is not gonna be life changes, remember they used to dream about this. No, this is not gonna be about good time. This is gonna be about drill time, you dig what I'm saying? And that's what we here for, you dig what I'm saying? So we ain't gonna waste too much time. We gonna check it out right now, you dig what I'm saying? Let's see what they talking about. Stick tag. So that, yeah, that's intense. See, it's a stick, it says intense, but on the title it says Yeng. Like, which one is it? You know what I'm saying?
Them say fear dead. Hey, gunman.
Yeah.
Murder. Step. Gun people, vegan, we illegal. Me a go empty me matty pan such man. Can have no option, I the pump action. Spanish town, them want we cause eruption. In a malfunction, catch me in your action. Bring bomb for slam them like King Kong. Hem them up one, kick them like Van Damme. Half time in the fuck man, send them God tough God.
Rifle me walk with a bomber man bring. Make him mini swing like me, money swing. Badness me love, I'm gonna deal with that grin.
Badness me love, I love it.
Every week I smell the different, get it like round robin. Boss me wanna go new down and nothing. Clap him in the car, make a street light dim. Granny say my band foot, we deliver in a sin. So if a mama blood clot I go sink. Them say them bad I never kill a guy.
Them say they bad but never kill a guy. How are you bad? You never kill someone, you know what I'm trying to say?
Everything alright.
Them not bad, they're holding the doors for the grandma, they help the grandma walk the street. They're not bad, they never, you know what I'm trying to say?
Time I shell a fly.
They good people.
Boy. Rifle wire 55, boy daddy and in front them used to carry. Tell them say we grimy and we love your life. Couple kill a couple bike, roll out and murder for woman. Them no see ya neatly my talking nine. Clip back.
Oh, he always says that. Even in the last song, he's like, oh, what did he say? He said, me have a no, what did he say? He said something, I had a K in my shorts or something. And now he's saying, you can't see it because I took it nice. You know, what was the part that he say? He was saying in Heaven Passport, is like, fuck, I forgot.
Wipe them blood up on my knife.
Something about, I have a K in my shorts. I forgot what he said.
On your block, so me let it talk up. Binds up on them, skin them life up. My band for side, swing my gun, get the place nice up. Celebrate, what a great vibes. Watch your mind fly, so hit the bong, start splash up and gone. My lie, the Nile call down. Should the list
Yo.
Running at them place, I shall fly like Superman. If I know you spin, tell them move again. Turn the 15 over this up and
I think he said, me have a tall mini K in my shots. That's what he said? I don't remember.
We have the mosquitoes up. Couple rifle man in at them place and I no swat and in a scope on the top. Me I break them 50 watt. Them they are no killer, brother man, no nah saps. Shot 9 foot and making shot in one hand.
Oh man. This was a banger. I ain't gonna lie. This is the old Skeng. See, like, nowadays Skeng's been dropping, like, you know, the mainstream songs like Paris, Elvis Presley, you know what I'm trying to Jigga, you know what I'm trying to say? Those songs are fire, but we want the old Skeng, the Protocol Skeng, the Simple Dust Skeng, the Gunman Shift Skeng, the Burn of Skeng. You dig what I'm saying? Like the drill songs, you dig what I'm saying? I think he's kind of getting the message because he's kind of getting back into it. And I'm here for that, you know what I'm saying? I enjoyed it, you dig what I'm saying? It was a 8 out of 10, you dig what I'm saying? I thought it was gonna be some protocol shit, some crazy shit, but I know they went to the studio very high, you dig what I'm saying? And they just chilled and made this little tune, you dig what I'm saying? It's a banger. Till next time, we out, you dig.